What is up, folks, and welcome back to Myld Style. Real cars, real life, real budgets. This is episode 21, just a little bonus episode because episode 20 got a little long. Just finishing up the passenger side ball joint and final test drive on the Lexus. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week. Real cars, real life, real budgets. Like, subscribe, check out some merch, myldstyle.com. Have a great day. Yep, so I would call that a success. No noises, no bumps. Sorry, camera's on a charger right now. Jesus. I would call that a success, though. No noises, no strange things. I'm going to go ahead and do the passenger side now, and then we're probably going to need to at least run a jack handle or what we normally would use a baseball bat for to roll that fender back into place because it still rubs horribly. And we will just put front end solution somewhere on the to-do list for this car, meaning a body solution. Whether it means taking that fender off and repairing, whether it means swapping out for the white fender off the other car and just running a Harlequin style for a little bit, we'll just figure it out. But there's a lot to go into that. Even just getting that other fender off that car is a pretty big undertaking if you know how a storage unit looks. So thanks for coming along. Again, this is on a charger, so I'm going to switch it to time lapse and have you come along while I do this passenger side. setup up here in a minute. Sorry. What's up, folks? We're back. Still here with the Lexus. Still bent, still not aligned. But I've been out here talking and staring at it for a while, and excuse me. The long and short is that the wind is blowing. The long and short is that it needs an alignment to be finished today. The problem with that is that an alignment means adjusting the steering rack. Well, I have a steering rack at home because this one needs replacing, so I don't want to adjust this steering rack. So I'm gonna literally throw an alignment at it. I don't want to even show it on camera because I don't want to give anyone any bright ideas, but I'm gonna throw an alignment at it out here, similar to what I did on the van the other day, and just see what it does. Either way, I'm probably getting it towed back home so that I can tow it back here at another point to do the rack on another day, because it wasn't a part of today's plan. So yep, thanks for hanging out. Sorry the camera looks so dirty. That looks horrible, but hopefully that's better. Thanks for hanging out. I'll set this up and we'll see what we can see. Let's get a live reaction. Let's see. Sorry, no suction cup. I'm not going anywhere. Well, we know we're gonna rub a little there. Feels a little weird still, but let's see. Not better. That still goes way right. That's what happened I think that's what happened when the wheel fell out under the ball joint, is that the rack has real more of a right. The car goes to the right, which is why it will need an alignment. But goes right, like really quickly, far more quickly than I'm comfortable with. Let's listen. So long and short, it's drivable. It's actually, yeah, it's drivable. Only question now is, how do I get it home? So, the biggest question now is, well, I love my life. I'll be honest with you. I may not have a lot of money, but I feel like I make smart enough decisions that make a lot of the stuff I do not hurt so bad. If the exhaust is in it, the motor's, oh, it's a that might be even better though. It's a Carrera 4, it's not even a turbo. Oh my god. An LS project for sure. Alright, so yeah, this is actually drivable. I'm still going to probably get it towed home because this is America and I have roadside assistance, and right now I need assistance with getting one of my cars back home, so that's what I'm going to use it for. That, or maybe we'll take Mike and the dogs in the van, but we'll see. Either way, I'm happy with this for the day. I really am. Thank you for coming along. I hope the footage isn't too bad. Like, subscribe, tell a friend, please. Let's get this thing past 100, and then we can start talking bigger numbers. But at least 100 subscribers would be a good next marker, goal. Yeah, goal. Milestone. That was the word I was looking for. But yeah, once we can go 100, we can go 1,000, we can go 10,000, so on and so forth. We just got to share and help it grow. So thanks again, guys, for all your support. Appreciate it. Myld style, real cars, real life, real budgets. Thank you.